how to use Capital One credit card UK. Now, if you've been wondering if you have got a credit card from Capital One and that you're a UK citizen, not a US citizen, and it's a UK account and a UK credit card of Capital One, and you've been wondering how you can use it. Now, before you use it, you must first make sure you have activated your credit card. So you can activate it by entering your activation code, or you can simply try to call your bank in this case. After that, you can simply go to capitalone.co.uk, which is the official website, and then you can actually use your credit card in various ways. So you can use it like you would at home. You can also use it to make purchases, withdraw cash, and make balance transfers. It also depends whether it is a physical card or a virtual card. Virtual card can also be used for online but not for offline uses, while a physical card, you can withdraw the cash using a Capital One ATM. You can simply use a convenience check if you had, or you can also do it on e-commerce sites if you have a virtual card. And you can go ahead and simply enter your card number, the CVV code, and so on to be able to use your credit card on those sites as well. Bottom line, this is the way on how you can use your Capital One credit card on UK. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.